Conductive Sewing Kit from First Makerspace comes with everything you need to sew conductive elements, including a variety of colored felt pieces, needles, a needle threader, button snaps, conductive thread, and various electronic parts like jumbo LEDs and battery holders. It's springtime. Even though it may seem like the world we are accustomed to has been put on pause, the rest of our natural world hasn't gotten the memo. Springtime plant growth is happening all around us, with many early flowers already in full bloom. With the Sewing Circuits kit, some hot glue, and a bit of creativity, you can assemble a fun felt flower bracelet that lights up when worn. The first step to making this bracelet is to cut out all of the felt pieces. The template for these pieces can be found on browndoggadgets.com. Once all of the pieces are cut out, you'll fold and glue the petals of the flower, placing them all together in one to make your felt flower. The holes in the middle of your flower should allow the LED light to hold in place. The next step is to sew the electronic components in place using the conductive thread. You'll want to follow the step-by-step guidelines on the Brown Dog Gadgets template. When all of your electronic components are sewn in place, you'll add a cell battery to determine if your circuit is working properly. When you connect the two clasps together, you should have an LED light that lights up. The final step is to add your felt flower and the leaves in place. The leaves are secured, covering up your conductive sewing thread, and add a final element to your felt bracelet. If you would like more information about the Conductive Sewing Kit or other maker activities, please visit our website at www.firstmakerspace.com.